Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's Wednesday, July 17. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Let's start with the daily chart. As you can see, guys, we are back in the short reload zone. Overall, from the entire range, we just touched in the morning 61.8 and we are rejecting that level. Usually 61.8 is well respected on higher time frame. Now, if you look in Twitter and other platforms, you'll see everyone is bullish. Everyone wants higher. Yeah, we'll go to the moon. And we just touched 61.8. Time to be bullish was here in this area. In the weekend when we said, okay, something changed. We have the W, we have bullish divergence, we have everything. Let's think bullish, let's switch to the bullish side. Now, I'm not so bullish. Let's take a look at the chat. Morning, Robert. Morning, Christian, Kos, Bova, Sebastian, Hania, Shogun, Bukur. So, I am a stupid trader. I'll play only setups here. I don't like the environment where when you reach a resistance area, when you reach a short reload zone, everyone becomes bullish. Not healthy for our portfolio. Yeah, you saw from the weekend, we discussed it in the weekly crypto review. Now you can see we accepted above 60k, we are at 66. We said that if we'll accept here, we'll go to 65. And now it's pushing in the short reload zone. But now if you look left, well, I'm not happy to take a long or to think long here. Sorry, just not my thinking. I'll short here, well, depending on the time frame. Here on daily, no, not yet. I need a clear setup on daily time frame. Indicators, let's see what we have. So, you can see the bullish divergence we spoke about. W's on OBV. I don't see bearish divergence, at least not on daily chart. But it's a bit too early for that. Either we'll go on lower time frame for our chart, 1 hour to find some signs. Or we'll wait a long period of time to see something on daily. Morning, Rocco. Well, Ken is up only. Well, you switch to the bullish side, Ken, exactly. So, on daily time frame, let's be careful. Sorry, guys. I'll be backwards. When Twitter is bullish, I'll be bearish. And when it is bearish, I am bullish. Actually, I think I'm on the right side of the market. At least that's my impression. We said, okay, 52 is possible here, but let's see the signs. We push higher. Now it's a bit too late to be bullish. BlackRock is shilling Bitcoin. Well, usually it's not a fucking good sign. Yeah, and you can see the initial EM. Let's be extra careful, at least on Bitcoin. Let's play spot. Let's wait for more fields maybe. Who knows? But anyway, not a good idea at 66 to become bullish. Well, that's daily. Let's see total. Well, total you can see is respecting this channel. I'm not saying that we cannot push higher on total. I think we can, but it's a bit too long. Yeah, it's a bit too long for what everyone is thinking. Let's see what will happen. Let's not draw a conclusion. We are in the short reload zone. We aimed out. We confirmed that one. Here is a short reload zone if you take this high or this one. Let's wait and see what will happen. I don't have any advantage here. Similar thing on total tune. You can see if you look at this time frame on daily, you have lower highs and lower lows. Wyckoff check of this level. Okay, give me a better W. We have a W here, but I don't know. If it's all we get, nothing we can do. And total 3, similar, all over the place. It's bullish, but I don't like it. You can see the same W here. We took the high here exactly like on Bitcoin. But that doesn't mean we'll go straight up from here. No, maybe a retracement will consolidate and then we can push higher. Okay, I'll take a brief look at the weekly chart because why not? We said that we'll do that. Let's do it. Keep in mind, weekly chart is not, the candle is not closed yet. Strong, really strong. You can see last week, this week. Who knows how this candle will close? If it will close like this, well, it's in the touching short reload zone. But if we close above 78.6, 69, 70k, then that's strength. Let's wait. It's Wednesday. We have time to see a lot of developments. Honestly, I'm expecting a retracement here. Yeah, I'm bullish, but I'm expecting a retracement. I don't think the market will push without respecting the short reload zone. Okay, indicators, well, we don't have anything special here. Now, let's go on the other template, stay on daily and 4-hour chart, and let's see what we have. Guys, I know it's boring what I'm doing, but that's the way a trader should behave, at least in my opinion. Overview, and then trade. Well, it's up to you with this hedge. We move the stop loss here. I think that's a safe stop loss. If you close some here, well, it's up to you from now on. I think keeping the stop loss at scratch is not a bad idea. We can short again. We can hedge again if it will be the case. Okay, that's daily. Let's see 4-hour chart. Why not? 4-hour chart. You can see W breakout retest pushing higher in the short reload zone here. Yeah, not for me. You cannot, even if you beat me, I'll not long here. And you can see potential bearish divergence on RSI here. You can see high, lower high, and higher high in price. Nothing special on OBV for the moment. I don't have a short setup. Yeah, it's close enough. If I'll see a 4-hour, 1 hour, 50-minute EM, 1 hour 3-bar fractal or 4-hour 3-bar fractal in this area, preferably a bit deeper in the short reload zone, okay, I could try to scalp, but nothing for the moment. Looks toppy here with this RSI. Ethereum, same kind of thinking. Is trying to push higher. Is taking liquidity here. I could see 3,600. Yeah, some liquidity here also. So another step higher, touch short reload zone, and then 3-bar fractal on 4-hour, 1 hour chart. And that will be good enough for us to play around. For the moment, I don't have a setup. Bitcoin dominance. Well, not too many things. We are hoping for yams, but we don't have anything. Not yams, not Ws. We have a ugly range there. So nothing we can do if we don't have an advantage in this market. We are just looking at if something will happen and will yam out. Okay, we can play around. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's in the same place, or relatively in the same place from some time. So nothing new, nothing we can do. And DXY is playing around in these levels. Let's go back on daily. By the way, guys, if you have requests, please type in the chat. I need a ticker in the time frame, nothing else. Well, I still think it's in between these three levels. For the moment, I'm okay with this range. It's trying to aim out here, but I don't know. Seems like a range. Okay, that's the overview. Not too many things to say from yesterday. We are $1,000 higher, but nothing more. Let's go on the lower time frame and start with Bitcoin. Okay, 1 hour chart. You can see this is the Monday high. If we'll accept back below, okay, we can go to Monday low. If you look at some indicators on 1 hour, well, you can see bearish divergence, at least on MACD and RSI. OBV, not yet. But let's see what will happen here. Actually, on 1 hour, maybe lower time frame, maybe 15-minute chart, I think we have an EM here. Yeah, we are trying to EM out here. And again, bearish divergence. Not confirmed yet. We didn't confirm the M for the moment. But we can do that and break down and retest. Not a bad strategy. Let's see. But I could see a short setup forming here. And keep in mind, this is the short reload zone from the last swing high. Let me put 4-hour chart and show you. So I have this swing high and the swing low here. That's why this short reload zone is a bit lower. Okay, let's go back on 1 hour and let's see what we can do. So, bearish divergence, short reload zone, some M's on 50-minute chart. Not confirmed yet. We have Monday high and we are above, we're accepting above that level. If we'll trade below, then we can think about Monday low. Let's see. Slow and steady. Ethereum, similar. You can see this is a support and resistance with white at $3,520. We are at the resistance, let's call it that way. Confluence with 61.8. So we'll touch 61.8. Who knows? Let's see. If I'll see an EM or something, or we can frame a setup, why not? Even potential bearish divergence on OBV. Potential is not confirmed yet. But you can see high, higher high, high, lower high. Similar on RSI, similar on MACD. So we have some signs of weakness, at least some. We can think short here. We are not in the short reload zone yet, but we can watch the market for a potential short. Okay, Pixel. Well, Pixel is reaching our 6-to-1 target. Well, nice to see that. Didn't touch our target yet. Solana. Well, Solana, I tried a short and stopped me out. Now, let's go on 4-hour chart for Solana. I want to see the overview. Well, if I'll draw exactly like on everything, a short reload zone here. Well, let's clean up a little bit. Okay, so we are touching a support and resistance level here, 161, 165. You can see, yeah, support and resistance level. And now we are touching that level from underside. If we'll see an EM or you can see a short setup, okay, but be careful. Could pump really strong. So what do we have? We have a potential location, not yet, but close enough. Indicators. Well, on this time frame, a potential divergence on RSI and a confirmed divergence on MACD. You can see it here. So MACD has a confirmed bearish divergence here. RSI has a potential one here. And OBV is just following the price action. But we have a potential location, some potential bearish divergence, not a setup for the moment. I think we'll be a bit too aggressive to take the 3-bar fractal top here if we'll form. But because it's on 4-hour chart, it's up to you. It's up to you how you frame the market. But I'll prefer to wait, not to trade this one. Doge, well, we are trying to accept above this support and resistance level. Yeah, you can see consolidation, manipulation back. If we'll accept above, I don't know, 13 cents, I could see something developing. Joe, similar thing. Yeah, you can see this kind of ugly pattern you see here, kind of Dalai Lama and getting through the support and resistance level. In my experience, it's damn bullish and damn strong. Usually don't give us any retest, it's just pushing higher. Let's see if we'll confirm and we'll get through the resistance. Well, dimension, never got a feel on our entry, but in the same time, who wanted to take the trade could take the 25. And you have a 3-to-1, almost hit your take profit. We tried here to outsmart the market to take the initial W. to get a 7-1. But the bot setup worked really nicely. Look at this one. You had 1, 2, 3 breakout retest. This was your entry, and there you go. Nothing we can do now. So nothing we can do now on a dimension. Let's wait. Aevo, similar. Outperforming, going higher, but I don't see a new setup. BNB, similar thing. If you'll accept above, could push straight up to the all-time high. I'll watch BNB. Seems strong here. Seems pretty strong. Ton, well, nothing I can do here. Matic, you can see it's underperforming a little bit. It's at the resistance level. I don't think it's a good idea to even think long here. Let's wait. Either even if you'll enter higher, you want to see the market accepting above this level and then retesting. That's the best approach. Morning, Matt. Manta. Well, we talked about Manta, no? We posted 2 setups on premium, and I don't know if I posted on general, but who's watching these live streams should be long here. And I said 2 setups, this one and this one. Well, it's just pushing higher. Nothing you can do now, but enjoy if you are long. Everyone should be long on this one. Guys, it's not my fault that some people are not listening to these videos. It's not my fault that some people are not watching the Discord channels. It's not my fault that Sunday when I flipped to the bullish side and I told you, okay, look at the fear and greed index. Look at what happened with Trump. Look at this is bullish. Not my fault. Sorry. I'm trying my best here. I'm just a stupid trader. I'm not the I don't know, know-it-all or something like that. But I'm doing my best and I'm really trying to help. But it's not only up to me. If someone is not consistent, is not putting the time and effort, will not succeed. It's that simple. Okay, let's stop blabbing away and continue. So on this one, enjoy it. Yeah? You can see the target for this one is a lot higher. Pyth, well, I wanted the W here on 4-hour chart on hour. It's just pushing higher aggressively. I could see some W's here, but they are too aggressive. I don't like it. I prefer to trade something else. Alt, what we said about alt, if you remember, I didn't frame a trade here, indeed. But what we said about alt, we said something like this. If we'll accept above this range and then we'll retest this level, maybe we can get here. Well, was just a retest of this range and higher. Don't chase here. Look left if you want to chase, yeah? So let's zoom out. You don't want to chase here in this area. Who managed to take the trade? Okay. Jupiter. I'm not a big fan of Jupiter at these levels. Let's go for our chart. It's all over the place here. I don't like it. No. E-Gold. Well, this motherfucker did something ugly. Stop us out here and then push higher. Nah, I'll leave it alone. I don't like this megaphone pattern. I just don't like it. I have a spot bag, a really good one. I'll add if we will go back below $30. But I don't want to fuck around when I see the megaphone. FET is pushing higher. Seems like will stabilize. For the moment, it's still in this big range. So from 1.1 to 1.8, it's a big range forming here. Yeah, nice W's breaking out. Nothing I can do here on FET. And not we have a trade. Everyone should be in. Huh? And it's working away. If we'll reach our take profit, okay. If not, so be it. Next bus. But looks really nice. We need to accept above this this level, above the highs, and we can push really fast to the target. Trail some if you are in this trade. Don't take all the profit at the target, please. Well, that's my list, my short list here. Someone asked about TIA. Well, let's take a look at TIA. What time frame you want? I'll start with weekly. Bucur. I'll just start with weekly because I already have some here. Well, you can see on TIA what we have. Let me show you the other template. Yeah, TIA. Let's see it here. Well, because I have more ink on this template. So on weekly, when the market was here in this area, I said, I'll wait here. And here will be a gift. Pretty simple in my book. Why? I'm the, I don't know, some kind of Dalai Lama or someone who knows everything? No. I'm just a stupid trader, but I know for a fact that the real long reload zone for altcoins usually starts at 78.6. So I was expecting market to reach this area. Looking left, I saw support and resistance here and some W's. Yeah. Similar here. So I said, I don't want to buy 61.8. It's too aggressive. What is going straight up usually will bleed deeper and longer. Yeah? This was shiny, was new, everyone was buying this one. And we can see the same way managed to step down. We got a fill here. We have a W or a daily W here, you can see it. Breakout and kind of a retest. I think we'll go sideways. I don't think we'll go straight up, but it'll be kind of violent. So from $4 to, I don't know, $8. I could see a range forming here for from 4 to 8 or 5 to 10 kind of idea. Lower part of the testing this week or any touch of the 88.6 or $3. It's a buying opportunity. Yeah? It's a damn good buying opportunity. But I don't see why we should trade when we can invest and just leave it alone. Yeah, you can make good money in this uptrend. You can make nice money on this downtrend. But because everyone is saying that this is bullish and is strong, okay, let's buy, let's invest, sell half on a double if you want, or make a dollar cost averaging plan and play around. Where I expect, why I should know that, Bucur? Let market tell us where will stop. I could anticipate, but I could anticipate when I'll see this level touched and accepted by above $21. I will tell you then. Ask me then. Yeah, ask me after that and I could draw a house level. After I will see this one and I could tell you. But now, nah. No. Definitely a lot higher than $21, Bucur. Okay. For the moment, I don't see a setup here. You can play a bot setup here on lower time frame. Let's see if it's a real level. Yeah, definitely something you can play. Okay, AB equals CD. Let's see if we have a bot setup. Bot 1, 33, below, nice, clear. I like it. Let's clone it. You see how easy it is to trade and to frame setups? Just takes a damn long time to learn everything. But after that it's pretty simple. Okay. Okay, bot 2. Well, there you go. Well, a bot setup especially for you, Bucur. I don't know if you know how to play that. Well, I could give you even a better level. What I have here. 4-hour chart. Well, let's go on 1 hour. After we framed everything, let's do something like this. Take this side, take the next one. Well, you just missed an LJ here. W, breakout, retest, LJ. Another W, breakout, retest. Well, I'll go back on 4-hour chart and I'll just show you something nice. By the way, you said you want couple 1? Well, it's totally up to you. Keep in mind, we accept only 20 people, not more than that. We still have places, don't worry about that, but I don't know what will happen. I'm comfortable with 20 people, not more than that, because it's too much noise after that, and I cannot focus on my things. Okay, so AB equals CD, bot setup, 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows, 4 lows, and so on. So on TIA you have a setup. Thank you. Well, I don't know about staking. If you have something on staking, just leave it there and wait for the top. Don't fuck around. Don't watch it every day. That's a stupid thing to do. Keep separate portfolios on investment and don't touch them. Yeah? You need a lot higher than $21 to think about selling. Yeah? You don't have to think about that for the moment. So don't watch that bag, because I'm telling you from my experience, from other people's experience, you'll be tempted to sell too early, and you'll regret that. Don't do it. Keep investment portfolio separate, and once a week look at that. Make separate accounts. Don't look at the investment portfolio every day. You'll get sick. Yeah, you'll get heart problems. You'll get a lot of things you can get looking at an investment every day. The swings up and down in crypto, they are pretty violent. Well, I'll tell you what, it's not the time to unstake, so don't look at that. If you want a setup, you want to play a setup with stop loss, Booker, then play this one. Yeah, you can see. Entry at 25, stop loss here at $6. So entry here, stop loss here, take profit here, 3 to 1, more than profitable. The setup is there, good location. If I look at the indicators, I'll probably find some confirmation. Yeah. So classic setup here. If you are not a trader, don't touch it. Just leave your bag there and don't look at it. Okay, that's Tia. Someone said another question here. I think, if I remember correctly. Let's see. I don't find it. Maybe the same guy could post it again. Robert, Hedera, it's on, that's the ticker. Hedera hash graph. Okay. I'll start to twiggling. As you can see, I have some wing here. The high was 50 cents. Now we are 7 cents. Well, not bad. Let's clean it up. Let's see the overview on weekly. Let's see the OBV first. Okay, strong OBV. You love that. RSI. Well, fucking around. Not a big deal. If you put the volume profile, okay, you can see you're at the POC. Let's hide that. Bollinger Bands. Nice and tight. I like it. Now, what we can do, where we should buy this one. We had pump and we had dump. We have weekly W's. Well, pretty simple. I'll take the high. I'll take the all-time low here, the last one. And I'll do something like this. And as you can see, we just bounced from 78.6. I don't see a new weekly W, but as a location, you have a location. As long as it's below 61.8 from this range, you are good to go to dollar cost average. Do whatever you want on the long side. Huh? I don't see a weekly W for a new investment, but you can say, well, you had the weekly W, Paul, and you are buying the retest. You had that opportunity some time ago, 2 weeks ago. Now on weekly, you can dollar cost average, that's for sure. And you can even use little old lady. You are below 61.8. You can use little old lady. For a trade, let's see daily. Okay, on daily you had the W here. That was your entry. You don't have a retest, so if you want to take this trade, maybe you want to wait here and do something like this. Come on, where the fuck you put my stop loss? But keep in mind, what I'm doing here, it's just a trade. If the stop loss will get hit, get the fuck out. Well, let's assume that the market is really bullish and we'll go to 61.8 short reload zone. Nothing special in a altcoin. So let's put the short reload zone. Well, there you go. So that was my entry. This is my target. And you can see I have a 5.6 risk to reward. Yeah? All you have to do, put a limit order with stop loss here, take profit here. Yeah? 4-hour chart. I could find the 4-hour chart to see if we have something. Yeah, similar. Similar. It's a bit too aggressive for a bot setup here. Too aggressive. I don't like it. If we'll go straight up, well, so be it. Next boss. But that's my idea about this trade. Happy with that, Robert? Okay, now let's go and see what we have on Holy Grail. Guys, I said multiple times, you should take premium membership only for Holy Grail if you want to trade. Only if you want. You can see the results. And it's just the beginning. Yeah, it's just the beginning. Learn the Holy Grail. Ask me any question you want. I'll gladly answer you. Huh? Look at this one. Everything is setting up for something really nice. You'll participate or you'll not participate. That's totally up to you. Not to me. I'll help you if you ask me. If I can help you, I'll help you. But if you don't ask and if you don't, you're not consistent, nobody could help you. Well, this one is bullish. Okay, if it's so bullish, give me an entry. I'll not show you what trade to take. Why? Because look at this one. Well, I took the entry here. I was smart. I put a stop loss here because I want to protect. Ticked my stop loss. And now it's going back up. And I should be pissed off. But I have enough experience to know that shit like this will happen sometimes. Yeah? So, next boss, I could get a new entry. You can see, even now it's giving me an entry. I'll take it. I don't know. I'll wait a little bit to see what is happening in the London session. But could be a new entry. You can see bullish again. Dimension similar. You can see clear uptrend. This algo, this indicator is pretty well made. It's made by me for me, for different time frames. So you have the bias, red or green or blue. I put blue here. You have the entry. You can set an alarm. You can just go here and set a fucking alarm and will ring every time you'll get an entry. You have a table here with the position size. So you just go on the indicator, you select how much money you want to risk, let's say $200, okay? And we'll calculate, for example now, entry here, stop loss here, position size $4,000 without leverage. If you want to include leverage, you have to adapt to the leverage. But that's the position size on spot. If you want to buy on spot, you have to buy 4,631 coins to risk $200 until here. That's simple. It cannot be more simple than that. This indicator is made for trends. I specifically said multiple times, don't use it in a range. But when you have a trend, this is gold. Use it or don't use it. It's totally up to you guys. It's a bonus for premium and VIP. I'm not selling this one. You cannot buy a subscription on this indicator, and I want to keep it that way. I want to keep it included in premium and VIP. So either you are in our community as a premium member or VIP and you participate and you can use this one, or you don't have access. It's that simple. I don't want to sell this indicator properly. How someone offered me some money, I don't know, in my view it's not a lot of money, but someone offered me some money to sell the indicator entirely, all the rights and everything. No thank you. It's for our community. I made it, I use it, I give it for my community, and that's it. In this environment we can make a lot of money with this indicator, but you have to know how to trade. You have to be able to respect a fucking stop loss. Okay, So with Holy Grail, you can trade, you can make some money. You can see the strongest ones. Why I'm looking at the strongest ones? Because when I'm hunting long ideas, I want to see the strong ones. When I'm hunting short ideas, I want to see the weak ones. Simple. Kind of follow the trend. You can see we have some entries. I don't know what will happen with Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit 61.8, so could retrace a little bit. But if will not retrace violently, these ones could still perform. Okay, I don't see anything else. Another question. No requests. So, let's call it a live stream. Hit that like button if you like the content. I see 8 people did that. And we had 20, 25 watching the live stream. Well, if you don't enjoy the content, don't hit the like button. But please do hit the dislike button. Do something. Show me that you don't like the video or the live stream. Fear and greed index at the end. You know, I'm saying that I'll close the live stream and I'm keep blabbing away for 5 minutes. Fear and greed 69. We'll soon, pretty soon, go to the extreme greed. Doesn't matter if today will not break down. Tomorrow this index will be at the extreme greed. It's pushing higher. Remember, Saturday or Sunday was at 25. A bit too fast. That means strength, but also means too far, too fast, needs a retracement. You can even see on this chart, yeah, you can see W breaking out straight up. We need a retracement, and then maybe we can push higher. If you want to do technical analysis on a chart like this, I don't recommend it. Let's see, 1 month, 3 months. Come on, you can see the W here. Not the best one, but straight up. It's back at the highs here. You can see. We can stay at the highs for a long period of time, but this was a fucking buying opportunity here. This was a deviation. You can see it. Yeah. I was watching this chart. I told you that's a deviation. I told you that we should flip to the bullish side. Yeah. Now we're back at the top. Calendar, we have news today. I think we have building permits. Yeah, 1 hour before the stock market will open, so watch out on that. I don't consider that one too big, but still, if you are a scalper, you should be out. It's that simple. HOND, if you remember, I said in the weekend when Muro tweeted something, I told you to pay attention, maybe buy some at 007. Now is trying to break 1 cent again. So if you took a trade, you have a 3 or 4 to 1 here. If you took an investment and you bought without stop loss, you are I don't know, more than 30% up. I think was a good call. Okay, Twitter, nothing special. Twitter is Twitter. Twitter is good for some things, but not for everything. Okay, guys, that's from my side. I blabbed away 40 minutes, a bit too much. See you in New York session or tomorrow with the same video. Yeah, hit the like or the dislike button, share it with your friends, join our community if you like it. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.